What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Before you go, do not forget to subscribe, and if you want to, then follow me on Instagram. All of that info will be in the description box below. Today's video is none other than a BoxyCharm unboxing. I have not done one of these videos in so long. It's about time. This month I actually got the Boxyluxe box, so look at how big it is. There are so many products in here, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly makeup / skincare, hair care subscription service where they send about 5 products, and they're full-size products, to your door every single month. It's $21 a month, which is not bad at all, considering there's always one product in there that's worth like $50, some like crazy amount. So it's more than worth it with just that one product alone. So I am subscribed to BoxyCharm, and I did the Boxyluxe upgrade. So every 3 months I'm sent this giant box with even more products. And it's over a $250 value every 3 months. So it is an extra charge for those months where you get the Boxyluxe. It's an extra $28.99, which is kind of a lot, but you should see the stuff you get inside. It is a million times worth it. Like, you guys have no idea. If you guys are interested in BoxyCharm or upgrading to Boxyluxe, I will leave all of that information and a link to sign up down in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. I did kind of cheat and I watched a video on September's Boxyluxe, so I know some of the things that are going to be in here, but I still figured I would open it for the first time on camera with you guys. Dun, 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 dun. This is what the box looks like just from the top. Let's dive right in.
Makes me want to dive on in.
The first thing that I pulled out of the box was the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series palette. This retails for $29. So can we take a moment to talk about that? These are what the colors look like. They're super pretty. Definitely have some pops of color, but also some neutral shades. I know we got a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette before in a BoxyCharm, but it was like a giant palette. So it's kind of nice to have a smaller, like, travel size palette. I mean, this is not travel size by any mean. It's just a normal size palette, but it's nice to have like a smaller version. Super pretty. There's a gold, there's an emerald shade, a black, a cream color. It's definitely a good mix of shimmers and mattes, and I cannot wait to use this. Next thing, oh my God. Okay, the video I watched on the Boxyluxe, the girl did not get this. She got something else. I think it was still from Tarte, but this is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Let's open this bad boy up. This retails for $45. $45. Oh my God, that is beautiful packaging. Look at that. That is so pretty. So it is a bronzer palette, a highlight and bronzer palette. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. So it looks like you have 4 bronzer shades and 2 highlight shades. The highlight shades are matte, and 3 of the bronzers are matte, and one has like a slight little like glisten to it, very slight. I don't know if they sell any of these as single shades, but we have the shade Halo, Enhance, Carrot, Princess Cut, Angle, and Crown. So beautiful. Next thing I'm pulling out is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. This says an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into a next generation water cream. Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid and tamarind extract, so your skin looks youthfully hydrated and plumped. You girl needs that badly. This retails for $65. Like I said, all of these products you're getting in these boxes are full size. So I believe that price, let me tell you. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like a very light cucumber scent, but not like a fake cucumber scent, like that cucumber melon lotion from Bath and Body Works a long time ago. This smells like you actually like cut a cucumber. Very faint. Very nice. I love creams and like face lotions and serums, so I can't wait to use this. The next thing in the box is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. That's cool that they put something else in there to hydrate your face. This I'm reading here, it says it balances your skin naturally, locks in moisture overnight, and reduces redness. The retail for this bad boy is $52. Dr. Brandt, we've gotten a lot of stuff from Dr. Brandt in our Boxy Charms over the years, and I am obsessed with this brand. Like, obsessed. I know we got an exfoliating scrub, and then we also got like a pore refining scrub. Still in my shower to this day. Obsessed with them. Next thing I am pulling out is this Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Rubino. Retails for $22. And I do have some Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. I love them so much. They're comfortable on the skin, not too drying. But I don't have this color. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's like a brick red orangey color, which I usually don't wear these types of colors. So if I don't end up wearing it, then I'm gonna put it over there in my little brand new makeup cabinet and possibly put it in a giveaway. Next, I am pulling out the Sutra 32 millimeter or 1 1/4 inch clipless curling iron with cool tip. I just love a good cool tip. Ooh, that's so nice. So it's just a curling wand. And I love the curling wands that have this like swivel cord, so you're not like getting it all tangled up and all a hot mess. This is beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. I always buy the Hot Tools 1 1/4 inch curling irons and then get a screwdriver and unscrew the little clamp. I did that like a long time ago, and I'm pretty sure that was before these were like super like widely known and used all the time. But I also think I wanted to do that because I had the option of putting the clip back on if I wanted to, but I just cannot curl my hair with a clip. So this is perfect. I'm super excited to start using this. So that curling iron retails for $65. You guys, this box just keeps adding up, 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 up. I'm telling you. Next thing is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I was just thinking to myself, which is why my hair is in a bun, that the ends of my hair are so dry and damaged. I really need to just go get a trim, but I'm really excited to try this. Let's see if it, ooh, it smells so good. IGK sent me some stuff once, now that I think about it, probably a year ago. I had never heard of them in my life, but I saw them in Ulta. So I think it's not Ulta. I saw them in Sephora. So I'm pretty sure, I mean, they have to be a real good brand if they're in Sephora, I feel like. So I'm really excited to try this. This IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm retails for $29. All right, last but not least is the Hank and Henry Slick With It. Guessing it's an eyeliner? Yes, it's a blickety black eyeliner. It retails for $20. Blickety black, don't hold back. All right, well, it's like takes everything in you just to get it. Ooh. Okay, so it is a felt tip liquid liner. I will say it's pretty pigmented. Not like the darkest, blackest liquid liner I've ever seen, but it is pretty pigmented. But this liquid liner has actual like bristles. So when you push down on it, the bristles kind of like separate and flatten and it widens the line, which I don't usually go for. I like a felt tip liner, but I'm definitely willing to give this a try. And then again, I wonder if it's waterproof. Long wear liquid liner. So I don't think it's waterproof, but I feel like it might be water resistant since it's long wear. I just have to wear waterproof everything. I really do, because otherwise My eyes water up and there's makeup everywhere. Okay, so that was everything that I got in the Boxyluxe box for September. I just added everything up and it came to $327. So if you bought everything here separately, you would be paying $327, not including tax. So go ahead and add that one up. Now I want you to think about this because this is the way my mind works. Even if you only liked the Dr. Brandt recovery sleeping mask, that in and of itself is $52, okay? And the grand total for Boxyluxe is like $54.99. So you're paying a few more dollars for everything else. Why not? It's like if I could pay $3 for all of this, come on, I would do it. So even if you only think you're gonna like a couple items in the box, it's still well worth it. I know a lot of people will take the unused items that they just didn't really want and put it on Poshmark or sell it or give it to a family member or a friend. I like saving them for giveaways, so it's definitely worth it to just sign up. There's no commitment, you can always cancel. By the way, BoxyCharm has no idea who I am. I'm just really trying to make everybody happy here, and I want to just get everybody signed up for BoxyCharm because it's that amazing. So if you are interested, like I said, information will be down below. I think that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down below in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.